Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn to do a Google site. It's free by Google, and the only thing that you need is an email account. So let's go type in the search Google Sites. You can go here in Google Sites link, and I'm going to change my account to another one. So you can do this with your school account. You can do this with your personal email, does not matter. So here is the main page here. On top we have template galleries. You can see some of them here, but it has more. You have for personal, websites for work, for small business, and yes, you can do business. However, you have a limitation, but if you have a PayPal account, you can create a PayPal button and use that way to people to buy things from you. This is free. Sorry, you don't have to pay for this. And you have here educational templates like a studio portfolio if you need to do a portfolio for yourself, for a project, or so forth. They're very fun to do and is a good way to practice. And then on, you get to do more complex things like coding your own site or doing a system with a back end database and everything. Okay, so let's go start by creating. We're not going to use a template. You could. I'm going to use a blank site because I want to go through all the process here of creating the site. So I click here and then I got to this main page here where I have a banner, title, and the name of the site. So I created here already a document that you can download. You can follow this and use this as a reference, or you can do your own. So my site name, like the .com, the domain, even though we're not buying a domain here, that's the name of my site. That's Upalupa. And the name here, my title for my site is Building a WordPress site. So here it is. There you go. So it is too big, so I'm going to make it smaller maybe. And here I'm going to kind of open it a little more. Okay, so this is nice. So I have already my title here. I have my site name, and then here I'm going to add a logo. Already, I did this with ChatGPT, so I kind of already have my logo, and is what is it? I think it's one up. Oh, this is not it this year. Sorry. Internship courses. And here's my logo. I did it with ChatGPT. I use my own image. And let me say select logo. It has to be 112 pixels high. So mine is too big. So that's okay. I'll fix it in a minute and then I'll go on and put the logo. All right. So I'm going to change the banner here. Going to change. I have some images and I am going to select. This is not the greatest. This is kind of nice too. Okay, let's see this one. Eh, all right. So let me see. Let me change it. Didn't like it. So I have another one that I used before. So maybe let me see this one. All right. So here is my header, my title. You can even change. I'm going to use Montserrat for my title. And here in the description here in this text, already telling you that for title, I'm going to use Montserrat, and for text, I'm going to use Georgia. All right, so now I'm going to the description of what my website is. So I have here two paragraphs, and I want to go to the right. Here I have three tabs: Insert, Page, and Themes. Okay, before I move on, I'm going to look at the themes here, and let's see how it looks this way. Vision, no. Maybe this way, no. No. Okay, I kind of, okay, I'm going to use this theme here. I'm going to go back in insert, and I wanted to put some text to do a description of what my website is about. So here I'm going to copy this because I want to say, what is my website about, a little description. Remember that this is Georgia. I wanted to do Georgia. And in the bottom here, I wanted to put some picture with some description because too boring. So I'm going to go here in the bottom. I have, if it is closed, in the content block here, it has some, they have some pre-made templates or blocks. So I'm going to put that one, and I'm going to select a picture about WordPress. And I think I had something says WordPress here. There you go. And here I'm going to put that second. And actually it's Google site. So let me change this. And I know that I took some for Google Sites here somewhere. I don't see it now. Yeah, I don't see it. The Google site. I know that I took one. No. Okay. Okay. So here I'm going to paste that again. And then something about Google Sites. So here I'm going to put, and that's supposed to be Montserrat. And I actually want this in the middle. All right. So I have, let me see how this looks. If I go preview here, see now I have the site. I have, what is WordPress, Google Sites. It's kind of looking good. The only thing I don't have is the logo that I'm going to have to fix this. All right. I'm back. Now the next step is to add a menu. So before we do that, here is the first part, sorry.